Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to turn on live photos on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile. Go to your profile. Click on the three horizontal lines from the screen's top right corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and find the accessibility option under the Content and Activity section. Tap on it. Here you will see the animated thumbnail at the top of your screen. Now, tap on the toggle button and enable it. And you will turn on live photos on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to turn on live photos on TikTok. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.